Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the emulator on a Volkswagen, explain how it works, and why it's important for your vehicle. I should also mention that this emulator is compatible with all VAG group models as well, Audi, Škoda, Seat, and so on. If you previously had the super kilometer filter ghost module installed in your car, then after uninstalling it, a diagnostic tool can still read the stored mileage inside the transmission. Unlike the odometer, the transmission always keeps the real mileage. As you can see, the odometer on the dashboard and the diagnostic monitor show different numbers. That's exactly what our emulator is designed to fix. Above the driver's footrest area, you'll find the system cables and the control unit. Let's remove the cover, which is held in place by 3 screws and 2 clips. And you'll see the system module with a brown connector attached to it. Pull that connector out and connect the emulator like this. The emulator's black connector goes to the vehicle's connector, and the emulator's brown connector plugs into the system module. The emulator is installed. Now let's check the mileage again with the diagnostic tool. As you can see, both the odometer and the system now show the exact same mileage. If you want this product and many more for your vehicle, visit superkilometerfilter.com and drive without limits.